company with Taxus Bacata in the hands of Jack Quinlan for trainer Matt Crawley. Palladium touching down in behind them third, quite exuberant over the second hurdle, and tucks back in to try and track Taxus Bacata as they come to the third, getting a bit more daylight and into the top of that one. One or two errors, in fact. George Darling wasn't all that fluent in fourth place, and down in midfield, Carlton Pline also rather untidy. So a circuit to cover. There's a good 15 lengths already between top and tail. Taxus Bacata strides on.
No more bets for the Lunchtime 49s at 12:49 and 30 seconds.
Jack Hyde following for Fergal O'Brien's stable in the hands of Johnny Burke in third place. George Darling next on Rule's debut. Continues to race enthusiastically as well in fourth. Racing with Ida Mix, a half length between that pair as they make their progress over to the back straight. A reminder, 2 flights over on the far side of the course, 4 and 5. Pure Carbon down in midfield at the moment, being followed by Carlton Pline. Ski and Do racing back down the order. Also towards the tail of the field, Wolf Moon and Manala. So Taxus Bacata, a lengthy advantage over Palladium as they work their way into the wings of hurdle number 4. Front pair stretch on a bit. They go 2.5 clear at the moment over Jack Hyde in third. George Darling continues to race in fourth position. Then comes Ida Mix, Pure Carbon and Carlton Pline. A midfield slot still for both of those. Ski and Do just needed a bit of encouragement after hurdle number 4. Races with Wolf Moon and Manal.
Going behind Turfontaine.
Number 5 now on the horizon. Taxus Bacata. Not as good that time as Palladium, who was quite big and bold, gave it a little too much air perhaps, but was certainly more fluent than the...
Often racing Turfontaine.
The front two remain a couple in advance of Jack Hyde. George Darling fourth, and then Pure Carbon, Carlton Pline is on the outside of an improving Wolf Moon, made a couple of places. Manala is under pressure, and then Ski and Do. Palladium is being encouraged into that next hurdle, picked up with the advantage now, and is starting to try and edge on here. So Palladium goes on. Taxus Bacata begins to give way after a couple of jumping errors. Jack Hyde has now improved into second place. Wolf Moon still improving, running on into third position, having been held off up at the back of the field early on. Top of the straight. It is Palladium in front here. 2.5 lengths the advantage from Wolf Moon, who is running a massive race in behind. Jack Hyde is in third.